Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. Today's tutorial, I want to teach you on how to make samosa spring roll wrapper and how to fold the samosa and how to fold the spring rolls. I have my recipe here. I have my spatula or my whisk. I have 2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt and my water. I'm using only 3 things: flour, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 50 cl water. The water I'm using is chill water. So I'm going to pour in the water. So I'm going to mix it well. It should not be too watery, it should not be too thick. I have 2 recipes on spring rolls and samosa in my channel. You can watch it, it's a full tutorial. So I'm going to mix it until there's no lump in it. I've added 150 cl of water. So I'm going to stir it very well. So the mixture is not too thick and it's not too washy. So I'm going to place my saucepan on fire or on heat to make the wrapper. This is how to make spring roll or samosa wrapper. It's a request video, somebody requested for it. I should please show her how to do it. So this is how to do it. Make sure that you fill the spaces. And you are going to use non-stick pan. If you use the pan that is not up to standard, it will stick to it. It will not remove. The batter will stick to it. So coat it well. Make sure that everywhere is coated. Leave it to dry for some seconds. So I left it for some seconds. I'm going to remove it now. It's very easy, but it's very hot. The one I've done. Then you now sprinkle flour on it so that it doesn't stick. So this is another example of how to do spring roll wrapper and samosa wrapper. You have to rub it very well. Make sure that it doesn't have space. There's no space. Try to fill in all the spaces. I'm going to do 3 examples. After that, I'll do it offline or off camera. Fill your spaces. Fill the center. And make sure you don't have any space. Coat it well. Then allow it to dry like 3 minutes. This one cannot be 3 minutes. 5 seconds. Is drying. So how do you know the wrapper is done? When the edges started curling out, it will start to detach from the pan. I'm using a non-stick pan here. Then you have to sprinkle flour on it. Make sure it doesn't stick. This is the final example I'm going to give. Coat it well. Fill in the space. Make sure you close all the spaces. You can coat it 1 time, you can coat it 2 times, you can coat it 3 times, but don't overcoat it. Leave it to dry for 3 seconds. The color started changing. You observe that the batter is cooking. The rest of it I'm going to do off camera. So this is how to make samosa or spring roll wrapper. It's very easy.